We are live in Germany waiting for an answer from outside of the UN building about the new virus named Tai-45. This is ABC News, and we will keep you up.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Drug Administration. The developing Tai-45 virus is dangerous and may cause death. The symptoms are high fever, rashes in the leg, dry cough, unable to speak. If you are experiencing these symptoms, please call your local hospital. Remember to wash your hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds. This station will return to normal programming. This is a presidential alert. The Tai-45 virus has been found in New York, Los Angeles, New Jersey, and Florida. If you live in these states, gather food for 30 days. Do not go outside after the timer expires. You will be shot by the National Guard. Stay inside. For more info, visit www.tai45virus.gov. This TV station will cease services. Do not call 911 unless it is important. Thank you for your cooperation.
El gobierno de España ha invocado esta alerta por el motivo de avisar a los civiles del virus Tai-45. Las Fuerzas Armadas españolas han sido estacionadas en Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia. Le estamos pidiendo que se quede adentro de su casa y no salga hasta que el gobierno diga, gracias.
Tokyo in Japan was bombed last night by North Korea. United States Navy military forces are being deployed in the South China Sea. They have mass destruction weapons equipped. No action is needed at this time, but make sure to be ready. Keep being quarantined. Thank you for your cooperation. This is Star 99.8 signing off, serving the Newark area.
Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day.